In order to connect your Facebook page to your Instagram business account, first of all, you need to try switching to an Instagram business account. For that, open your Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now switch your account to business account if it's not already. Then navigate to the settings, go to account and switch to professional account and then choose business. Now access your Facebook and log into your Facebook account. Then go to Facebook page and access its settings. From the settings page, scroll all the way down and then go to linked accounts that you will find under the permission section between the device permission and apps and website. Tap on linked accounts, and from the two options that appear, tap on the Instagram to connect to your Instagram account if you haven't already. You will see the option of connect account, tap on it, and then enter your Instagram business account credentials and authorize the connection. That's it. Your accounts will be linked. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.